my crafty loving friends, welcome to Repurpose My Way. I'm Shelly. Today we have this really cute cutting board that I need to rescue. It has some cracks on the edges. It's almost broken all the way through. If it wasn't stapled, it would probably be broken. So I want to try and save this cute little cutting board decor. It's not really a cutting board, it's just made of fiberboard. So it's pretty flimsy. So I'm gonna take these popsicle sticks and cut them down and just glue them on to kind of sturdy up those corners on that little cutting board. Now I could probably just take the chicken off the front of that and just toss the rest of it and not try and save this at all. But I think it can be saved. I think we can do a little something to it. It's gonna be very simple, and sometimes less is more. And I think that's all it's gonna need is a little reinforcement in the back. And then I think it needs to be dressed up in the front just a little bit. So I found some material that I haven't used in a while, and I think I'm going to use that in the front. So now that that's on there and dry, I need to dress up the front and cover up those little cracks that are in those corners. And I think this piece of material is going to do that. This is just homespun material from, I believe, probably Hobby Lobby. Usually get a yard or two at a time. And so I just made a regular little shoestring bow, wrapped it around there and covered up those cracks and tied that down. And then I also glued it down really well so that it would stay and look nice. It seemed to want to twist on me a little bit there. So then once that is done, I just take a little rusty star and put it in the middle, and that's all that it needs.